What's up YouTube? So galing na tayo ng drive, no? Ayos na ito. Straight na yung ano, straight yung kanyang steering. And then yeah, tapos na natin na in place yung ano, na replace yung tie rod in, like the passenger side tie rod in. And then konting paalala lang sa mga nagda-drive ng mga manual dyan, so mga nagda-drive ng mga automatic transmission, pagkagaling kayo sa drive, huwag nyo ilagay ng park agad and then ihuli na yung handbrake, no? Mali po yan. The correct procedure of the engagement of the parking brake or handbrake sa mga automatic transmission is if you are on the drive mode and then put into neutral, and then once you are in neutral, and that's the time you engage the handbrake up, and then once the handbrake is up, then put the gear shifter into park position. Okay, pag you have the park position, and then you can now turn off the engine, and then because if you didn't like let's say I'm gonna start the engine again. Let's say yung iba na ano, na sometimes malilito nito. Yung iba naka-neutral, lagay niya sa naka-handbrake and then turn off engine. Yung susi niya hindi po you cannot remove the key. You know why? Because the gear shifter is on neutral. Safety features po ito ng gear shifter niya na hindi matanggal yung susi pagka naka-neutral po yung sasakyan o yung gear shifter. Kita nyo, naka-neutral ito, and then hindi matanggal yung susi. Yan po ang safety features ng mga automatic transmission. So ang procedure po yan, i-start nyo muna yung engine. Start natin. Okay, once the engine start, put this thing into the park. You have the handbrake up already, so put the park. Once you put in the park position, turn off the engine, and that's the time you can remove the key. See? You can remove the key because the gear shifter is on a parking position for park mode. And then again, so let's see a scenario that you are driving, and then once you arrive your destination, you're gonna park your vehicle. So let's say you're gonna drive, put it to drive, and then drive home, and then since we're gonna park, so we're gonna reverse, and then once you park in the correct position, the gear shifter put into the neutral, put on the neutral, and then once the gear shifter is on neutral, that's the time to engage handbrake up. And once the handbrake is up, so all the tension will be in here on the handbrake, and then once or the handbrake or rear brake is on the rear brake or handbrake, tension is on handbrake, yeah. And then once the handbrake is up, the shifter is on neutral, that's the time you engage, you put into the park position. Okay, so again, that's the system of the automatic transmission when you're going to engage the parking mode or park shifter, because pagka nilagay ninyo yung nakalagay na siya kagad sa parking tapos nahuli yung handbrake, so lahat na tension po, lahat ng bigat ng makina o ng bigat ng sasakyan is nandito po nakalagay sa parking mode, doon sa gear niya. Doon sa gear mayroong latch siya na maglalak, so doon po na nalagay yung tension, and then by that in the long run masisira po yung gears niya o yung parking latch masisira dahil tensionado po. And then to prevent that from happening, meaning you have to like put the gear shifter first into neutral. Once it's in neutral, engage the handbrake. Once the handbrake is up, then that's the time you put the gear shifter into the parking mode.